Hi guys, hope you are good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you all about the screen lock settings or how to set a screen lock in your device Vivo V29e. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video.